Ladies and gentlemen, I'm honored and proud to have the opportunity to speak at this conference. Today, I would like to present my paper, a large-scale emulation method of AOS protocol based on space network emulation platform. My report will cover the following aspects. The first section is background and the structure of AOS gateway is the second section. The third section is scale emulation, and the last section is the conclusions. In the first part of the report, I'm going to begin with background and purpose of our work. There are many space network technologies need to be verified repeatedly before they can be put into use, and we have proposed the semi-physical emulation platform for space networks to verify these technologies. The general structure of the semi-physical emulation platform for space network is shown in the picture above. According to the Space Network Protocol Standard specified by CCSDS, the Advanced Operating System AOS protocol is widely used in the data link layer of various space networks, except similar parts of the terrestrial networks. Obviously, the emulation platform should support AOS emulation. However, AOS frame cannot transmit it in Ethernet, and at present, the emulation method of AOS protocol is to add AOS frame header for data packets and use a channel simulator, such as a space network channel or Cortex CRT to realize frame transmission. Although these methods can truly restore the communication process of AOS protocol, they are expensive and cannot be used for large-scale emulation. Therefore, an AOS emulation method based on emulation platform is urgently needed to realize AOS scale emulation. In the emulation platform, AOS protocol emulation is mainly realized by AOS gateway, and the process is shown in above. The gateway removes the packet's Ethernet header and adds the AOS frame header, IP header, and Ethernet header. In a point-to-point emulation scenario, the packet with the offender is captured by gateway. After removing its Ethernet packet header, it is sent to the next program to encapsulate the AOS frame header. In order to transmit AOS frame in Ethernet, it's necessary to add IP header and Ethernet header to AOS frame. After completing the above steps, the packet can be sent to the network. Packet's reception is a reverse process. So based on the gateway of AOS, we can realize the scale emulation. This is a data plane picture of AOS emulation. The implementation of AOS scale emulation is based on the multi-links information stored in the database. As is shown in the picture, each link is determined by two gateways. All links correspond to the data table. The data table format is shown in the picture. The original Ethernet header was removed during packet processing. In order to transmit packet in the network, we need to construct the Ethernet header again. Therefore, the MAC address of the gateway should also be stored in the data table. The process will automatically uploading MAC address by gateway is shown in figure. The gateway reads the local MAC address and the corresponding network card name, uploading them to a corresponding location in the data table and reads the MAC address of destination gateway. So to test our proposal, there is an experiment we should to process. The AOS scale emulation design is verified by experiments. In order to able to test the function of AOS gateway in a comprehensive way, we use the network topology shown in figure. 6 nodes are interconnected and host 1 has 5 gateways corresponding to other hosts. In this structure, host 1 can communicate with other hosts. Each network card of a gateway is listening by a program to capture the packets that needed to be processed. The network card of a gateway is monitored by the program. The program captures and processes the packets passing through the network card. Only the packets coming from outside the gateway need to be processed. So the MAC address is used as a basis of whether to capture the packets. There is our result of experiment. The communication between nodes can effectively verify the function of the design. To prove this, host 1 send the SCMP message to other nodes. The result shown in figure B. Obviously, the communication between two end nodes needs to go through gateway and forwarding node. If a SCMP replay message can be received, it indicates that AOS gateway can normally perform encapsulation and encapsulation services. The packets structure through the gateway is shown in figure A. In this paper, combined with software emulation and database, the design of AOS scale emulation based on the semi-physical emulation platform for space networks is proposed. Corresponding results show that AOS large-scale emulation realizes the normal communication function. It's an ideal way to realize the AOS protocol scale emulation. This is my lecture. Thanks for watching.